Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platforms to help you decide which of these will be a better option for you, which is AnyDesk or Splashtop. So to get started with a quick analysis, AnyDesk in 2025 is known for its speed, lightweight design, and easy setup. It's a solid choice for freelancers, small teams, or IT professionals who want a responsive remote access. It supports fast transfer, mobile access, and even section recording. However, it lacks some enterprise level management features, and customer support can be slower at times. Talking about Splashtop, on the other hand, is more business focused and packed with features like HD streaming, team management, remote printing, and robust security option. It's especially popular in education and corporate environment. It's a bit pricier than AnyDesk, but the trade form is more advanced control and strong customer support and a better user management tools. And here's the viral conclusion. So go with AnyDesk if you need a fast, simple remote access without too many bells and whistles. On the other hand, choose Splashtop if you want more advanced features, better business support, and a more professional setup. And that's it.